Happy birthday to you.
Hi Mamta, happy birthday and apologies for not being able to be part of the celebrations today, but here comes all my sincere wishes for a great year ahead. When Pratibha asked me to send my wishes across, I was just thinking and reflecting over the good old Griswold years with our little one, of course, when they were little, how time flies. And I've always seen you as a jolly person. This was before we actually spoke. And when we got a chance to speak, yeah, needless to say, that was so true about you. You're an easygoing, light-hearted, calm and cool person. The one who takes things as it is and take things so lightly and take life as it comes, and that's a great virtue and something to learn from. Be the same, the cool person that you are. The 3 C's: confident, cheerful and cool. You are that. And wishing you a great, wonderful year ahead. Stay blessed and have a great day with all your friends, and my wishes will always be there for you. Happy 40th birthday. Enjoy. God bless.
Hi Mamta, happy 40th birthday to you. I wish God bless you with good health, happiness and prosperity. Hope you have a fabulous 40th birthday today. Enjoy.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే మమతా. గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ ఆల్వేస్. ఎప్పుడూ మంచిగా హ్యాపీగా ఉండాలి అని కోరుకుంటూ వన్స్ అగైన్ మెనీ హ్యాపీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్ ద డే. హ్యావ్ అ గ్రేట్ ఇయర్ అహెడ్ అండ్ ఇలానే బాగా చేసుకోవాలి. ఎప్పుడు బర్త్డే పార్టీస్ అన్నీ మంచిగా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తూ హ్యాపీగా ఉండాలని కోరుకుంటూ. ఓకే, చాలో అయితే బాయ్, టేక్ కేర్, సీ యా.
Happy birthday to you.